Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 1.5, Joan of Arc, written by George Bernard Shaw. Today we are going to learn the last part of the lesson. Means yesterday we have seen that how she convinced to Joan. Means Joan, how she means talk. She was a very confident girl. She was believe on herself, and she convinced to first Pauline, and Pauline convinced to Robert how she was really a confident girl. Okay, and that's why Robert finally now agreed to her plan. Agree to the plan. Robert thought that John might be able to motivate the Dauphin and the armor and Robert also felt that she had the courage and determination to succeed. He now felt that she is really a courageous girl. She is really a she have a determination to succeed, and he also felt that there was something about her, and that's why Robert finally agreed to the plan. Okay, and that's why he agreed to the plan. Okay, and now the last part of the lesson today we are going to learn. Okay, now see what Miss Joan sees really so the beam of happiness, and that's why she shake her hand and she hold her hand. And now what the Polinge said. Polinge said, how is she to get into the royal presence? Now let us see. Polinge said, let us see how she get into the royal presence. Royal presence means she will get again the royal presence. She will get into the royal current existence, because that now no one fight for the France, but she has the beam of happiness. She will get the royal presence again. She will bring again the royal current existence of royal of France. And then what the Robert say? I don't know how she'd get into my presence. Robert said, I don't know, but how she did get into my presence how she get into his being of present. I will send her to Chinon, and she can say I sent her. I will now send her to the Chinon, and she can also say that I will send her. Then let come what may, I can do no more. And he said, let come what may. It is a phrase. Meaning of that phrase is, let anything happen. Let anything happen. See, now maybe there is let anything happen. I can do no more. I can only do this. What I will now wait. Let anything happen. What the Joan said. And the dress, I may have a soldier dress square. And now Joan said to the Joan said to Square, I need now a soldier's dress. Joan wanted now a soldier's dress. Robert, take what you please. I wash my hands of it. Now Robert said, take what you please. Whatever what you want, take it please. I wash my hands of it. It is also praise. Wash my hands of it. Not take any responsibility for it. I am not taking responsibility. I am giving you a soldier dress, but I am not taking a responsibility of this dress, because this dress have some presence. Understood? And I believe that why says that I wash my hands before, because see he was uncertain about allowing Joan to go to the Dauphin. He was uncertain, and he could not believe that Joan would be successful in her mission. Square could not now also believe that Joan would be successful in her mission. Even then he could not withstand her determination and competence. He also felt that that was the last chance of saving Orleans. Means he thought that it was the last chance to save the Orleans, and that there was something special about Joan, and that's why he said, I did not want to be held responsible for anything. He said, but he says, I wash my hands of it. Okay. Now, what the Joan said, wildly excited by her success. She was very excited. She was a strong determination girl, and that's why she was very excited by her success. Come, Polly, and she dashes out, and she called to Folinge, and she dashes out. Dashes out. It dashes out. It is also phrase. What is the meaning of dashes out? She take a short run. Means shortly run. Then Missy says she took a dress. She says she was very excited now for her success, and she said to Polly, come on, Polly, and she ran away. And then Robert, see, shaking Polinge's hand, and he shook hand with Polinge and said, Goodbye, old man. I am taking a big chance. Few other men would have done it. But as you say, there is something about her. And he said to Polinge now, means he shake his hand with Polinge and say goodbye to Polinge. And he said, I am taking a big chance now. Because few other men would have done it. Means many men, I give this responsibility, they have done it, but as you say, there is something about her. But they can, and there is means impossible to them, they cannot do anything. They could not do anything for France. But now, as you say, there is something about her. But you said that there is something about her. There is some qualities. Means she have some qualities. That's why I gave responsibility. Polinge, yes, there is something about her. Goodbye. And Polinge, he was very, means he believed that she is a very competent girl. She can do something in future for the France. Okay, and he said to Robert, goodbye. Like this way, our lesson finished. Okay, now you have to solve this English workshop. Everyone read this lesson carefully and see, write this question and answer in your notebook. Miss, here is given some easy questions. See, question number 2. Question number 2. Then question number 3. Question number 5. Question number 5. And here last question number 8. Question number 8. These questions you have to write in your notebook. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 3. Question number 5. Question number 5 and question number 8 write in your notebook. If you have any difficulties, you can ask me on group. Okay. Thank you. And here, like this way, your syllabus is finished of unit test. Thank you.